There we go. Okay, we got folks coming in. Yeah. Okay. And let's see, I'm gonna put the chat over here on the side. For those that know about the, whoops, I don't want to do that, but I guess I can do it. I don't know, I can move that whole thing around. All right, we'll put the chat here too. Yeah, there we go. So one of the questions in the chat is there a video for the last class? Yes, there is. I just need to download it, put it into YouTube, and then put it right where the whole gun is, right in the middle. So we'll have one right here. So this one will actually stay here. So this is lesson, half of it's lesson 10. And then we'll put a slash and put 11. So there'll be both like that, both here. Okay, so we're going to visit this one. All right, so you'll have two recordings right here. Two recordings. All right, so that's a question. Let's see, we got two more people coming in. All right, so non. I think we get the whole group. There you go. Somebody is. Yeah. There we go. And let's see. Oh, just thought of a person that might need. Let's see. I don't know if they sent me a goodie here. Well, let's see. So we'll go ahead and head into our group here. And we'll put this over here, meaning copy of this right here. Over here. Page setup. Okay. So I was thinking about how ordinary people think of Mother Earth. So one is East. Mother Earth is made up of our body, just like any other living thing. Earth, mother, trees and water and sky and clouds and everything you see physically, right? Everything you can touch. All those are made by Mother Earth. We're made of Mother Earth, from Mother Earth, and by, somehow they were able to say we are Mother Earth. So that's the Navajo way. So Nihitsis, we can say also Nihuma, it's our mother. That's how we address him. Nihuma. So when the code talkers went to war, they were asked, why do you go? Why would you want to go to war? Why? What's your reason for going to war? Well, the first word they had was Nihima, meaning our mother, meaning Nihimana-san, our mother, our land, and then to protect, and then of course family. But they included this concept of Nihima. So that's why it's so important to say the human at ego means it is. At ego. Look. Ego. And go high tone. And then it comes back down. Oops. Oh, sorry. Ego. And we'll just put those two for right now. Put a door there. Okay. Let's make it simple. Needs isto ni mat ego. And we'll put this one back in there. So this is the first question, right? This first question. And we'll put it back in here to answer. This is our answer. Paste it here. So if I ask you the question, that is, whoever, let's say Elizabeth, Elizabeth, and then we just put the answer right here. Nastan, right here, Nastan. Nastan, Vedainina. Okay, that's the answer. The question, sorry. Hey, ego. How are we live by Nastan? Our answer would be Nastan it's mat ego vedainina. That's how we refer to it. It is our body, but it's also the name, our mother. So body and mother. Okay. Then I'll tell you a story after this. Okay. So there it is. So first right here we say, let's go, one more person come in. There you go, Yant. Good to see you. Good to have you. All right, here we go. So this the story goes that, and this came from an elder. So and he was very reverent about it, meaning it's time for me to share. It's time for me to tell about how our traditional people think about holy beings, and how they are able to connect to them every single day and have this, what we call relations. And that relation is like, I think of you as holy because I'm kind of like the child, you're kind of like the elder or the mom or dad, like Mother Earth, Shumana San. I'm your child. I'm your child. And so he says, these are the four that we think of as holy beings. Number one is right here in the east. Number one is the Adendin. And Adendin is the light, that light. And so if you think about it, the light, Navajo, with traditional Navajo, they think of it as a like a caretaker, a person that's like a parent, and then Dean would be the light, the father, like that kind of figure. And so in a way, Dean would be the father, and the mother would be like Nastan. So now we have kind of like two parents idea. And the reason why they're holy beings is they're with us all the time. So if somebody says, you're right here, and mom Nastan is right there because you stand on her. Father Sky or Father of the lights, no, John, A, the light, the ones in the heavens. There's different lights, right? There's the sun, there's the stars, there's other. Anyway, but referring to the light that's there strongly is the sun. So that light that comes to us, it kind of like feeds us, and Mother Earth's right there to always be right there. So like they're protecting. And let's say you're here when you're born, and all the years, all the teenage years, adult years, old age, and then at some point you leave you leave this earth life. It's said that along the way there might be others, relatives that also reach they're kind of ahead of you. There's you, and then there all those other guys are ahead of you. Maybe your elders, they go, and you're kind of following the same path, but the elders are like children. You're like a child. You're like a child. And they say, even though the elders are gone or the mom and dad, you're never left alone without a concept or a mom and dad. So all the years, you have a mother and you have a father that cares for you all those years. So neat concept, huh? And then besides the Mother Earth, the light, the Din or Father Sky coming from the heavens, we add this To. To is considered that holy being also. And that water is right here on the earth. And that water is, we actually take it in. We also gain from Mother Earth, we also take in all the growth, right? All the vegetation, and some are medicine, some are food, some are pretty to look at, like flower. All those are for us to enjoy, to receive the benefits of nourishment, growth. See, that's how we grow. Just like the plant, we're just like everybody else that's growing on Mother Earth, animals, birds, all those insects. So we always would feel that there is a parent and a water. And the last one is right here. Nilche. Nilche is air. Nilche means that you can hear it, you can see it kind of all around us, and it's inside us. We take it in, and then it's that air that we breathe that makes us live and move, and so all those four elements are holy beings right here before us, right here, right now. By supper time, you're eating the things of Mother Earth. You're drinking the water from the water. You're still seeing the evening lights, and you're still feeling the air. So this elder was telling me, just wanted to tell you, they also told me not to really just haphazardly show or share, because they are holy. There's some people that they are beings that are not to be joked about or to just haphazardly think of them. The only thing that you can think about is respect, thankfulness, and a voice that comes from your voice box saying, yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. Or you couldn't see me. I couldn't, dark and light won't be distinguished. The water couldn't make me grow. The food couldn't make me grow. So in a way, we are those four elements. So in a way, science kind of verifies all that for us also. So nilche, and if I go to nilche, so let me just quickly go to nilche. In a way, I'm going to put one word here. And this is a word that's more spiritual word. Just put regular guy. Se zini. I tone it. Z, and that goes right down. A Z, and then ni. I. Is zini. Ad ego. I don't. Ego. And then go back to Vedanita, or this one over that we had up here. And there's other description we could put up there, but just to have us understand a part of it. Zini. Okay. So if I put this into, let me just put this in before I make it a big picture of it. So this will be a copy. This will be a page. And I'm just going to give you the meaning of that. All right, so, but it's closely related to spirit. Yeah, we don't see it like Mother Earth, but it's just a spirit. So you can kind of tell how air and spirit would be close because you can't see them, right? So this is a spirit, ego. Means it is a spirit. It moves us. It makes us, wise. We could say Huatzah again if we wanted to. It's a big Huatzah. And I wouldn't mind putting it there. Because wisdom, higher power, wisdom is what it is. Higher power. And let's see, how do we put it? Piece up there. Okay. All right. Huatzah ego. Let's put the oh, and. Okay. Very good. So today we'll say to each other, okay, looks like Harold's coming in and Max. There you go. We might have some new folks in here today. Harold's here. Yeah, Harold's our tech person. When I get in trouble with all these things, and I say, Harold, I need your help. So welcome. So we are addressing in this lesson holy themes. Hodiyanje adat a, and some people say elele, which is like miracle things, holy miracle things. But we'll just say hodiyanje adat a, and we identify them as light, adentin, hope, nasan, Mother Earth, and nilche, air. All right. So if I was to say, what is that light that we talk about? Well, it's our nitzakis, or our thinking. what is that? Oh, well, that's the thing that was inside us that gives life to everything. And Nasan is the body that needs to be fed, that needs to be given water, needs to be given light, needs to be given air to make that grow, right? To make this grow. Or us, meaning we're from Mother Earth. And Nishche is the spiritual part of us. So it's kind of like our mind, heart, body, and soul idea. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and teach you how we'll do this. So it's these two right here, this box. The question is right here. And the answer is right here. And this is how we'll do it. So let's go to Nasan. So I would say, well, go ahead and put in the chat if you want to go ahead and do the question and answer with me and with each other. So put O or yes, either one. All right. So the first one that I see is, make this a little longer here. There you go. So Misha Cho is number one. So just to demonstrate, give you an example here. So I would say the person that's asking the question, Yat Misha Cho, and I would go over here. So I'd say Nasan Khait Ao Bedahinina. Nasan Khait Ao Bedahinina. How do we make a living? How do we live by Mother Earth? And the answer down here, Mr. Long, Nasan needs isto nimat ego vedahinina. That's the answer right there, vedahinina. Needs isto nimat ego vedahinina. So, and then the next one. If I select person's name, just for example, by example, right? By example. So I would say Micah, Micah Nishche Hate Ao Dainina. And we say to the answer, Mr. Long, Mr. Long, Nishche Isazini do Hutsat Ego Dainina. It is spirit and the neshche is, we think about it as spirit, but what the air actually is oxygen. Do Hutsa means wisdom, gives us wisdom. But ego bedahinina. That's the answer. All right. All righty. Before we go, let's have Harold say out to us. Long time no see. Go ahead and say out to us.
Okay.
And where do you live? This is the interesting part. Unless you moved, so you're still up in past Salt Lake, Idaho, somewhere up there, right? Yeah. So thank you very much for coming, being here. Let's go to Misha Cho. Misha Cho. Nasan Hate Ego Bedainina. And your answer.
Yate Mr. Long. Nasha and Sa Anihi Sito Nihima Ateko Bedahinina.
Oh, yes. Very good. All right, I'll do one more. Well, yeah, let's just go to one more and then we'll actually have one that asks the question or answer the question be the one that ask that like next question. All right, here we go. This is Micah. Micah. Nasan hate ego na.
Yate, Mr. Long, Adini Dindo Nasan Za Di Tsi Do Nihina at Ego Be Dahinina.
So now I want you to go from here. Say Nasan right here. And then you're talking to Micah P. So you say Yat Micah P. Nasan hate ego bedahinina. Ask Micah P that question.
Yate Micah P. Natsan Haito Be Dahinina.
Yate Micah. Okay. Ni
There you go. Sorry.
ne heights ido ma atigo be dahinina.
Yes, yeah. Good job. Let's see. Let's go back over here to. Oh, yeah, there you go. All right, so I think we can see everything. Okay. All right, so next person, Micah P, you're going to be asking the question. You're talking to Candace. And you're going to put Nasan hate ego bedahinina. Go ahead. Candace,
Yate cadence adini then
start with Nasan. This one.
Nas has zan haito be dahinina.
Okay.
Yate Micah Nahazan Nehi Sido Nehima Atego Be Dahinina.
Johnny, great. Excellent. Okay, here we go to Candace. You're asking the question, and I'm going to do this one, but I mean, I'm going to voice each of these words, and then you're going to be going, and the person will answer with this. So you'll say to the net or Dana. Yat Dana nilche hate abedahinina. Nilche is zini do hotsa at ego bedahinina. Okay. All right, you're on Candace. Say Yat Dana.
Yate Dana Nishib Haitau Be Dahinina.
Yate Candace. Nishili Isizidohodza Atego Bedahinina.
No, John. All right. Well, so we'll stay here and we'll say then you're going to say at dex and with nishche it ego bedahinina.
Yate Dex Atini Dinto Nishili.
Yate Den Nishche is Senator Holza Patego be Mahinina.
So now your Dex, you are going to ask him. Say out it Tim with ego or Nietzsche with ego.
Yata Tim Nichte Kaito be Mahinina.
Yeah. Um. And wow. Nit it's sa it nit dohan dan da it ego bed dahanilena.
Oh. Excellent. Good job. You are and there with it and you got it. All righty. So let's go to Tim. You're going to ask a question just like Dex asked you a question. That you say to Kimbra. Say out Kimbra.
At Canberra did nit it's had it tola bedahanilna.
Yata 8, Tim, Nietzsche is Size Nedo Hoza at Ego Be Dahin Lina.
Nope, Johnny. Yeah, Kimbra, you're asking Karina. Karina Nietzsche.
Yata A Karina, Nietzsche Hai to Obe Dahini na.
Nietzsche itzi nido hota atego be the hainina.
Who were you talking to?
Oh,
Karina.
oh wait, I'm Karina.
Yeah, you're Karina. Let's see, who was they asking? Kimberly. Oh no. Oh, you answered, but you wanted to say Kimberly. Yeah, that's what we need. But you can say that. Oh, you can say that afterwards. And anyway, you got it. You got both this and this. Yeah. All right. You're asking a question, Karina. And you're talking to Noah. So
Yeah. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Yeah, they Noah Nilchi Hata be Tahini na.
Aha. Noah.
Yate Karina Nilchi Isi Zil Nito Otsa Atigo Bedahilina.
Good reading. All right, let's see if there's anybody that I'm missing here. So you're asking the question, Noah, to Enzo. So yeah, Enzo.
Yate Enzo Nilchi Ata Bedahilina.
I have to do it on my brother's computer because my audio's not working.
Oh, okay. Talk to Sayat you're answering. So just say out there Noah and then answer it.
Okay. Noah Nietzsche is Nado Hadza Etigo Be Dahanine.
Oh, Dahanina. Nijam.
Oh, Dahanina.
Oh.
Dahanina.
Okay. Excellent. All right. Enzo, you're gonna be asking the question. You're gonna be asking the question to Ezra, not Ezra.
Yat A Ezra
And let's switch back to here. Nasan Hait
Na Za Nihits Ido
right. Question.
Hat Ebe
Good.
Dahani Na.
Oh, all right, good. You got it. Ezra. Yate.
Yate anza Nahazan Nihi Sido Nihima Atego Vedahinina.
Nijani. All right. Now you're asking the question to Luke.
Yate Luke Nahazan Haito How Vedahinina.
Yate Ezra Nahas Bezan Nehe Testo Nehe Maha Atego Be Dahina.
Nijani. And then Luke, you're asking the question. Oh yeah. Harold's is saying Yate or hello. Aha. Malad, Idaho. That's where he's from. That's true. I knew that. All right. Okay, so Luke, you're asking Amanda. So say Yate Amanda.
Yate Amanda Nahas Dezan Hata Be Dahine Dahnina.
Oh. Amanda. And open up your one. Oh, there you go. You're in and out. We heard you, then we in and out. I think you went through all the way through. Okay, that mic's not quite coming through. That's okay. I'm just going to say yes. I heard you, and you went all the way through. Can you ask a question, Amanda? Amanda, can you ask a question to? Harold says, "Yeah, Chicago Shidana." Harold Carrigan, yeah. Wow, Harold, you're good. I don't Irish. Don't understand. I am Irish. And I don't German, my father's German. I don't English, that should say. Those are the grandfathers, right? Okay. All right. Hey, looks like we went right through the whole thing, Jeanette. Okay. So, see how our time is. I'm trying to figure out. Okay, we got. All right. So, there might be some that were not here last time. So those that were not here last time but want to try these two right here, then Dean and Talk. So right after, just go ahead and put in the chat right after Harold's introduction. Just put O, or anybody want to try again, go ahead and put O in the chat. And we'll do then Dean, Talk. We'll do these two back and forth. Okay, and before we start, I'll say it so you know, so you can hear it, right? Hear it. So I always say, if you want to learn how to read Navajo, use your eyes. If you want to learn how to say the word, use your ears. So it's always ears, and so the mouth will come as you say it. Okay. and you hear it too, yeah. All right, so you'll say, let's say Luke, okay. So I'll just say Luke at Luke. Adintin wait bedahinitna. And he'll say Adintin if I ask questions. Adintin and he'll answer Adintin zakis hotza do be de tihi at ego bedahinitna. Hello, what happened? Back. All right, here we go. All right, so this one at ego and then bedahinitna at the end. Okay. Here we go. Let's go with Luke. Luke. Adintin. Luke. Luke.
Okay. Yate
Hate bedahinitna. Go ahead.
Yate Clayton Adidin Nistitsa Kehots Do Bede Te He Atego Bidanina.
Bedahinitna. All right. You turn to Makacho. Makacho. You say Makacho. Adintin hate bedahinitna.
Yate Makacho Adidin Hat Bebe Da Hina
Dahinitna.
Dainina.
Okay.
Mr. Long, were you talking to me or were you talking to Micah?
Oh, Misha.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, guys.
Just wanted
Sorry.
to make sure. Okay.
Yeah, I probably said Micah or something. I don't know.
It's okay, don't worry.
Misha.
Yate Luke. Adinitin ni sahakis hotsa topi I ti hi ateko be hinina.
Behinitna. Dahinitna would be plural, right? Behinitna is we or I. Behinitna, two of us or 3 or 4 or 5 of us. Mini dahinitna would be da with a da. All right, so Nijoniye. So Nzakis is thinking that the light comes to our heads. Thinking is kind of like receiving answers, questions, anything that comes to our mind. Khodsa gives us wisdom. Be'edeti, understanding, provides understanding. We figure out what those words coming to us is. And it comes through it in Dean. All righty. So you are going to ask Misha Cho, you're going to ask Karina.
Yate Karina. Can I do water or do I have to do
Try water.
Okay. Yate Karina. Do ha ta bi dahinina.
Yate Misha to in inai bezito na adishi atego.
Last one is Bedaini.
The hainina.
So to is water. Ina yebzi means it provides strength to life. Strength is right here. Zil. Betzil. Ina yebzi. It gives us strength to our body. Do nash zihi. It heals us. Nash zihi at ego. Bedahinina. Good job. Good job. And now your turn to talk to Kimbra. So you have to Kimbra.
Yate Kemba to haita be dahinina.
Nahini. Kimbra.
Yata. What was your name?
My name's Karina.
Yata. Karina. Ante Nadine to Aline ye visit do not hit at go.
Be
Hi.
that.
Okay. Die Nina.
Oh, excellent. So now, Kimbra, you're talking to Jada. Question. Cool.
Yata. Jada. To. Which one do you do first?
Just this.
To. Na ye be. Oh no. O be. Dahinina.
Oh. And then Jada, you say Yat Kimbra.
Yat Ambra. Adaptanin. Oh, to. Na ye bizido na jihi at ego. Be dahanina.
Good reading. Good reading. All right. Jada, you're going to talk to Dex the question. Oh, hit out.
Yat Dex. To hat el be dahanina.
Yata Jada. To in ye bizi do na ze tego. Dahinina.
Dex, you are talking to Mahona, and I think it's a. All right, you're talking.
Unrai.
Okay, say out it to Unra.
Yate Monrai. Atao be dahinina. Oh, wait.
Oh,
To atao be dahinina.
okay.
Tu ni na bezido na ate he atego.
Down there, be.
Be he nina.
Be dainina. Jonier. Let me see if there's any more. Oh, wow. I think we did everybody. So if for some reason we missed you, the idea is you go home, find a grandma, find a mom and dad, say, I gotta pass this out, but I will teach you first. I will do this. First of all, I'm going to say Yad Eshijeh, Yad Eshema, Yad Eshemasan, Yad Eshedeja, or maybe Sally. And then you say Adintin. I will ask you a question. Yad Esh Sally, Hait out, Adintin, Hait out, and tell them what that means. And then say, Sally, your answer is going to be, you got to say Yad Eh, to me first. And then answer your answer is right here. Then ego. And you might have to repeat this for them several times before they can. So have them read this over and over before you ask the question, and then ask the question, and then have them read it on their own. And that will be it. That will be your pass off right there with that one person. All right. So if you're, for some reason we didn't have you do anything here, that's what you'll do. And then text me and say, I did it with I asked the question, taught my sister, I asked her the question or about Nassan, and she answered it, that answered my question. And it was good or something. And you just text it to me. So I know that you passed it out. Anybody have any questions so far? Okay. I'm kind of in the mode of texting. I mean, not texting, in and things might go next, right? So I'm thinking about Keshmish, meaning Christmas. I'm thinking about types of things you would see at Christmas. Christmas tree, Christmas, a toy, Santa Claus, what would you call it? Santa Claus. So around it, things that we know, things that we kind of know, things that are harder to know, and things that nobody knows except some researcher or something. But the idea is from home to the next place, to the next place, to the next place. So you'll be learning in a circle again, but it'll be all on Keshmish, Christmas, Keshmish. All right. So I will see you Tuesday, the 4th. What was it? 4th? 5th. Sorry, the 5th. If you have no questions, I will say I'll go on it.
I'll go on it.
I'll go on it. Thank
Go on
you,
it.
Mr. Long.